Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Kimberly. Sorry about the lighting, the outside. It's kind of not really good, but let me see if I can fix it. Okay, can't really do anything with that, but anyways, so welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to put your videos in your phone. So the first thing is you want to do is you want to connect your phone in your laptop or computer. So let me do that. So I got my USB right here, and I'll be connecting it like that. And I'll be connected into my laptop. Okay, so I just connected it to my laptop. So I'm going to go into Files. And here it is, Galaxy Note 9. So I'm going to go into my videos. Now, if you have an editor, the editor that I use is the Wondershelf Filmora. And that's how I edit my videos. So let's go in here first to show you how to actually put your videos in your phone, which is pretty easy. Okay, so this is what I use, Filmora. So we're gonna go with the full feature mode. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is Filmora. I have some videos here, but I already edited that one out. So we're gonna go ahead and delete that. Okay, so for example, you're editing your videos and you're finished your videos and you want them to go into your phone. What you're going to do is you're going to go export. Well, actually, let's import a video that I have on. So let's just do this one. Oh, let's just do this one just to show you. Okay, we're going to put it on here. Okay, there it is. So after you finish your video, you're editing, you like how it looks, it's time to export it. So you click export. Now over here on the left side right here, this is where you're going, this is to export it from your computer, which we don't want to do that. So you're going to go here where the phone picture is, you're going to click, and then it depends on the phone that you have. If you have an iPhone, you click it, or you want to upload an iPad, Apple TV, iPod, Galaxy S5, smartphone, Nexus, Xbox, PS4, Wii, or Sony TV. So my phone is Android Genetics. So I click here, and you're going to put the name of your video, and it's really important to save where you want to save it. So I have mine in my videos, but if you want, you can click here in this little file, and you click your name or whatever you want to save it, and I click under my videos right here. So I already have it there. So when your video exports, it's going to go into the file that you're saving it to. Now the resolution is really important, because if you get 480x320, it's going to be a small little box, and that's not good. So we're going to click here, and it's important to put 1280x720, and you click OK to get the big screen. So after you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and export it, and it's going to export. So let's just say that we have it done. Now we're going to go here back to the file. So this is the video, it's exported and done. So what you want to do is you're going to drag it, click here, Galaxy Note, phone, and I like to do DCIM, and I like to export it in camera. So you just click and drag. So if you want to make sure that you have you can always click the camera, and there you go, 200 cellular SpongeBob card. So it's already in there, and let me go into my through my phone. Alright guys, so I'm here recording through my phone, and here we're going to go into our gallery, and here it is. Here is the video that you uploaded, and we're going to you're going to click this little button down here, and you're going to go up to YouTube, and here you can title title your video, description, and you can put it in private or public or whatever you want to. And you're going to click up here this little blue button, and it's going to upload into your YouTube. So that is how you upload a video exporting through your phone. So hello guys, whoops. Whoa. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video about convert your videos and upload them from your phone. So it's super easy, it's super fun. It didn't even take that long to do. So I hope you guys like this. If you guys find this informative, put a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cool videos, and push that notification bell so you won't miss none of my videos. And have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.